currently witnessing how the state of unity, harmony, oneness expresses itself. It is interesting to experience this state in a physical form, in a sense that you know, sometimes you would think of a state of oneness as a state that you maybe have to act in a certain way or something like that, like your mind has to, but what I'm understanding, oneness is this state that has the ability to permeate everything that the body, the mind, the heart is doing without difficulties. It has the power to permeate through every wall, every boundary, anything. And he does it with ease and grace. And as a person who has actually have reached this point or the state of oneness and unity and harmony, you get to witness, what is it like to hold this energy frequency and to move in it, and how it renders you feeling throughout everyday life circumstances, that in your personal state of seeing, you would rather experience things differently. So with oneness, everything is the same, but you somehow elevated to the state where you are a seer of everything, and there's so much understanding and clarity that renders you being open and receptive to life as it is, which is what the energy of oneness actually does. Everything is seen, your mind, everything, like literally everything, subtle things, subtle energies are seen. You in a position where you're witnessing them, you can see everything, like literally, but still those things does not sway or move or you from this state of seeing and feeling connected and grounded to this present moment. Nothing takes you away from here. Nothing moves you. Nothing really. The play of life continues to play as it has been from the beginning. But you are here and witnessing at the same time, one with every move, with every vibration, every sensation, every